Who will break the rules by making a U-turn? A test for knowledge of traffic rules. Maneuvers on the road should be safe. To turn around, change the lane, and so on should be so as not to put other road users at risk. A large part of the traffic rules is devoted to this, but do you remember all the relevant rules well? In the picture with the conditions, we see two passenger cars, red and blue. The drivers of both cars intend to turn around at the intersection. Here are the answers to the question. Which one of them will violate the traffic rules? 1. The driver of the red car. 2. The driver of the blue car. 3. Both will break the rules. 4. Both will not break the rules. You have 30 seconds. Think about it and write your answer in the comments. The correct answer variant is the first one, driver of the red car. Share the video with your friends, subscribe to the channel, and like the video. Traffic test. 90% of drivers cannot solve this problem correctly. What is the order of separation at the traffic circle in the situation shown in the picture? Answer options. 1. Red car, bus, taxi. 2. Taxi, bus, red car. 3. Bus, taxi, red car. 4. Red car, taxi, bus. You have 30 seconds. Think and write your answer in the comments. The correct answer is number 2, taxi, bus, red car. A traffic test about a traffic circle. Who will go through first? Which driver will pass the traffic circle first in the situation shown in the picture? Answer options. 1. Red car. 2. Taxi. 3. Green car. You have 30 seconds. Think and write your answer in the comments. Share the video with your friends, subscribe to the channel, and like the video. Correct answer number 2, taxi.